I sought you in the quiet, heart shaking in the dark. You heard me in my hiding, you pulled me to your heart. The shame that wrapped around me, you broke it like a thread. Now fear has lost its power. Your promise stands instead. I will bless the Lord at all times. Let His praise be ever on my lips. Taste and see the Lord is good. Come and see the kindness that He gives. Oh, taste and see the Lord is good. Every breath I have is His. The poor cry out, you answer. You're close to broken hearts. You lift the crushed in spirit. You hold their fragile parts. Your angel camps around us when all we see is fire. You rescue those who trust you. You lead us into light. I will bless the Lord at all times. Let His praise be ever on my lips. Taste and see the Lord is good. Come and see the kindness that He gives. Oh, taste and see the Lord is good. Every breath I have is His. Many are the trials, still you never fail. You redeem your children, every story tells. You keep all your promise through the fire and flood. None who trust in Jesus will be crushed by what will come. I will bless the Lord at all times. Let His praise be ever on my lips. Taste and see the Lord is good. Come and see the kindness that He gives. Oh, taste and see the Lord is good. Every breath I have is His. Every breath I have is His.